Hi guys, good morning. Dito na po kami sa airport ng buong staff and yan po. Kasama si Kuya Eddie. Ayan, mga tulog na, antok na. So punta po kami ngayon ng Davao. Please pray for us. And sana po mag-enjoy po kami sama ang mga katropahan. Ayan. Ayan po. Hey guys, so dito tayo ngayon sa isang kainan dito sa malapit sa airport. Tingnan natin kung gaano kamura ang lutong bahay dito sa Davao. Later check natin kung magkano. Sabihan mo lang siya, makakakain ka sa sobrang pagkain. Po, natapong busog na ang katropahan. Ayan po, busog na ang katropahan. So, dito po sa kinainan namin, wala pong pork. All fish, chicken, and veggies.
Walang spoon lang.
Walang spoon.
Gandang umaga.
Magandang umaga din, napasarap pa ang kain nyo.
Okay naman kaya lang ay bitin.
Bitin. Mamaya uli.
Bitin ang sarap.
Mamaya uli. So promote mo naman ang ating karinde.
Returning Davao. We're returning home today. Madayaw. Davao. Kuya, Madayaw. Madayaw, Davao.
Okay, so we just finished eating. So nakain ko is dalawang lumpia and dalawang rice. Malaking lumpia and also ubod yung laman. So hindi siya yung normal na lumpia. Yan. So I think goods naman siya for the price. Around 80 pesos. So sulit na rin. Very affordable for the price and sakto lang siya, nakakasasal. Wala na po namin ang gala for the first day. So wait lang namin si driver ko sa kami dadalhin. Saan ba tayo pupunta? Basta first day. So city tour po muna tayo. So land travel muna. Maybe tomorrow we'll go to the beach. Okay, so sorry medyo puyat pa. But like babawi kami bukas. Tayo ngayon sa Malagos to visit the home of the Philippine Eagle.
Pag-asa, pag-asa.
Ayan. So may mga pangalan po ang mga ibon natin dito. Mamaya ay makikita natin. Makikita nga po ba?
Nasa kayo doon.
So yun po, later po makikita po natin sila. Ayan po, kasama po natin ang mga tropa. Let's check. Dito tayo ngayon sa Philippine Eagle Center. Ayan na po, arko nila. With, ayan. So we're totally connected with nature. Just walking right now. Trying to check if may makikita na tayo yung eagle. But like, just in the entrance. So, maybe later, we'll check if may makikita tayo. Sana, ayan, ang daming tourists dito guys. Actually, visiting the place. Hope you guys could join us here. But like, maybe next time. Okay? So they have this security alert dito sa Eagle Center. So due to confirmed bird flu, avian flu case in North Cotabato province, we are implementing strict biosecurity measures in the Philippine Eagle Center. So they make sure na safe yung mga eagles nila. So may mga steps dyan to sanitize yourself. Iwasan yung makapagpasa ng sakit sa mga eagles kasi I think there are only 20 eagles here na syempre endangered and kailangan natin mapadami pa, kaya very secure sila dito. So yan, imagine nyo guys, ito yung actual reference ng eagle. Ang laki niya, di ba? So this is just a statue replica pero ang laki niya kung ito yung pinagayaan ng eagle, di ba? I mean, pinagayaan ito yung eagle. Imagine the size. Yan mga nataan, no? So this is like the reference. Yan guys, dito pa lang maririnig nyo na ang ingay ng eagle. Feeling ko bata pa to, no? Parang ano siya eh, hindi pa siya ganun kabilog. Ayan, yung iba nating katropa, doon na sila, nanood na. For us, we're still walking here. First stop po namin to sa tour, the Eagle Center of the Philippines here in Davao. Yan guys, meron din ditong saltwater crocodile and then raptor garden. Not sure if dinosaur to ha. Ayan. Titingnan nyo yung pastor kung meron daw saltwater crocodile. Update nyo kami later ha. Okay, so this is one of the birds here. Ito maliit pa siya. But if you can see the other one, medyo malaki na siya. Hindi ko pa lang to talaga na-zoom in. But like if I go closer, makikita nyo yung difference. I think they're different breed or I'm not sure, pero itong isa brown yung feather niya. The other one is a bit grayish. Maybe it's an adult or maybe a different kind of breed of eagle. But like here are the examples. Ayan, meron pa dun sa likod. Ayan. Sorry, medyo blurred na. But like, iyan nga. Meron pa dun sa likod. My friends, is one of the examples of one of the finest hunters in the Philippines, the Philippine eagle. Trying to do a mating call a while ago, trying to find its mate. But right now, silent, waiting for the right time. Such a beauty. Just trying to taunt it. Maybe it's going to speak some words. Sige po. And we're now going to the Japanese tunnel.
Picture muna, picture. Dito yung iba po, dito yung iba.
Guys, we're inside the tunnel.
Saan yung gusto mo muna? Dito yung iba, dito yung iba. Okay, go! Dito muna, dito muna iba. Doon kayo kayo lahat, doon kayo lahat.
So this is one of the Japanese tunnels here in the Philippines,
Hawakan yung gold bar.
made by Filipinos back then with the Japanese. So tayo gumawa nito only using primitive materials.
Pwede nyo ang picture mo lahat. Ibo, upo lahat. Oo, yung iba sa likod. Oh, yung way mo sa rin isa pa. Ayan. Good bar. Pagdo na yan.
We're inside the Japanese tunnel right now. Sikip dito, grabe. But like, it was made for that cost. Mahirap siyang pasukin. So like, Americans would really fit since malalaki nga sila. But yung mga Pinoy tsaka yung Japanese kasya dito.
Yung mga original ba yan po? Oh, yan.
Mahaba siya actually. And meron dito kulungan. Pinipilit nila pagkasin yung anim. Sobrang sikip.
Baka magbayad, sir. Magbayad. Pagbalik pag-away natin.
Yeah.
Ito yung stock room nila po. Storage nila ng mga armor.
So, okay, commercial po muna tayo. So, let's just take time to view the pictures here sa ating gala sa Davao. Enjoy! with Pastor and Kuya Eddie. Checking kung anong meron dito sa Davao sa gabi. Like, ang dami rin, ang daming bukas na establishments. We went to Gaisano, ang dami ring tinda. All around there, ang supply. Yan, dami. Even they also have bars and beer houses dito for people who want to have good time. So yeah, we're just walking. Medyo mainit din, parang Manila. Kahit gabi na, init. So maybe later pag uwi, ligo muna. So, thank you so much guys for watching, and stay tuned for more adventures tomorrow, and hope you enjoyed the activities today. Continue to support us in prayer, and see you next time. Bye bye.